This is my new to me 2007 Mercedes-Benz S600. It is a W221 chassis Mercedes-Benz with a V12 engine, and it's got a very rare, gorgeous interior, and that was the reason why I purchased it. This car has 91,000 miles on it, and let me show you guys the best part about this vehicle, other than the engine, of course. It is inside here. It's got a beautiful piano black trim with white and black interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. I picked it up yesterday. I drove it home, so the car is not cleaned. It's the same condition that I picked it up as. I absolutely love it. So it's got almost 92,000 miles now. It's got the old school Mercedes-Benz phone system right here. You could definitely tell it's a 2007 after looking at that. It's got this V12 sign, which I absolutely love. I love the analog clock. Heated and cooled seats in the front. It's got massaging seats as well, although they're not working. I have to figure that out. It's obviously can't be a Mercedes if it doesn't have broken things. We got the shades in the back, heated and cooled seats in the back as well, with massaging seats in the back. And if we pull this down right here, we got the massaging seats in the back. These are the controls right here. So, or not massaging, but they conform to your body better. You can control the passenger seat, the passenger front seat, right from the rear here. This car has 4-zone climate control, which is absolutely nuts. So everybody can have their desired temperature when they're sitting here. It does have the shade in the back that opens up. That works. This here works. This opens up as well. The sunroof in the front does not work. It does open, but when you go to close it, it does not close properly. You have to help it a little bit. We have this early generation Distronic Plus over here. This car needs a good cleaning, but we have this absolutely gorgeous V12 engine on here, and I couldn't be happier. I drove this car home yesterday, and the suspension is absolutely smooth. It's got the hydraulic suspension. But another issue that this car has is when you're driving, there's sort of like a rumble strip noise. I am gonna be diagnosing that and fixing that in the upcoming videos. That's gonna be one of the first things I actually look at and fix on this vehicle, other than cleaning it, of course, because it's in desperate need of a good cleaning. So this video is just showing you guys the vehicle. We're not going to be fixing anything in this video. We're not going to be replacing anything in this video. I'm just showing you guys the vehicle. It's about 30 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so let's do a cold startup. And I love how a V12 engine sounds when it first starts up. I am going to do a lot of maintenance on this vehicle because it desperately needs it. The previous owner had this vehicle for about 10 years and they only put about 7,000 miles on it since. So the car has a lot of stuff that need to be caught up on. If you are interested in watching more of this vehicle, subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading more about this very soon.